Okay, let's go.
Three, two, one.
Tol, ba't ka nag-aagot ng gamit mo?
Pero ayos na ako. Pando ako eh.
Saan ka ba tutuloy niyan, Tol?
May nakita na akong lilipatang bahay.
Boss, aalis na daw ng bahay si Utol.
Oo na. Kaya tinutulungan ko maghakot ng mga gamit niya eh.
Hindi ka na ba mapipigilan, Tol? Baka nabibigla ka lang.
Hindi, buo na ang desisyon ko. Lilipat na talaga ako.
Hindi ka na ba talaga papapigil, Tol? Oo, kuya. Kanina umaga pa namin pinipigilan ni nanay eh. Halika nga. Nandun si nanay sa likod. Sundan mo ako. Dito, sa likod. Nay, dito si Kuya Jomer. Pinipigilan si Kuya Jeremy na umalis. Maniwala ka dyan. Pumunta tayo maglaba. Buset, kala ko naman totoo na. Ang buhat ka na tuloy. Kung ano yung mga pinaggagawa niyong bata kayo. Mayroong buhatin dyan na labahin.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say.
It's time to laba-laba day. Ayan, baba na kami. tignan. Nauna si Kuya Jomer, tinitignan yung gilid ng pinakanawan kung pwede ibaba yung sasakyan. Ayan. Papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kalinaw. Sarap sana maligo, kaso lakas ng hangin. Mukhang ang ligo namin, ligong pato. Lakas ng hangin eh. Ayan. Baba na lahat ng gamit. Gamit na malabhan. Yun. Sige. Yan na. Uy, ngiting tagumpay na si Boss Romel. Nung nakita niya yung Sprite, nabuhat-buhat niya ate niya. Ayun, no? Lakas ng hangin talaga. Ayan. Sige, tapos na. Ayan, sante. Nilalagay na sa refrigerator ng probinsya yung tubig namin, tsaka yung Sprite. Ayan. Sineseparate niya na yung kumot, decolor, tsaka mga puti ng lagyan na ng sabon. May lalaban na. Ayan. Sige. Yan ang legendary namin na tita, nanay, lola. Ay, lola. Yan. Naririnig ko, inaatras na ni Kuya Jomer yung sasakyan. Bababa niya ata sa may gilid ng mapaliguan din. Ayun. Patras na. Sige. Atras mo lang, kuya. Dali. Oops. Yun. Lalagyan ng kalso para hindi dumiretso dun sa baba. Yan na, okay na. Alam na si Boss Romel talaga ang magaling sa ganyan. Basta sa pagkain, mabilis, lalo na pag-alak. Yan pala purpose ni tita. Kaya nagdala ng tabo, sinusukat niya yung tubig. Para pag maglagay siya ng sabon, alam na alam. Yun, parang pagluluto lang pala yung paglalaba. Sige, lagay na. Nasukat na yung tubig. Kulang pa. Isa pa. Sabi ko na nga, parang pagluluto, nahalo-halo. Sige. Sa lagay na.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm